Hello students! We are now finally on Newton's third law of motion, called action-reaction. It is also known as interaction. The third law is widely known law, which is, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. To put it simply, whenever there's an action, there would always be an opposite reaction. It is short and easy to remember, right? Moving on to the example for action-reaction. A bouncing tennis ball. When the ball fell down and hits the ground, it is called the action or the downward force of the tennis ball. While the reaction is when the floor pushes the tennis ball with the same magnitude. To emphasize, the action is the downward force of the ball, while the reaction is the ball bouncing back. So basically, it applies to all kinds of balls. Here's another example. A boy riding a bicycle. Pedaling the bicycle to move is the action exerted to the ground, while the reaction is when the floor pushes back the same force. To reiterate, pedaling is the action, while the bike moving forward is the reaction. Here's a funny GIF. The third law also applies with collisions. Newton's third law of motion is naturally applied to collisions between two objects. In a collision between two objects, both objects experience forces that are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Such forces often cause one object to speed up or gain momentum, and the other object to slow down or lose momentum. Again, collision means two or more objects hit against each other. When it happens, one will gain momentum or move faster because of the impact while the other one slows down. Here's an actual example of collision, the collision of bees. On the top, the bee slows down, while at the bottom, the bee gains momentum. According to Newton's third law, the forces on the two objects are equal in magnitude. While the forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, the accelerations of the object are not necessarily equal in magnitude. Like in this picture, it doesn't mean the ball is big, it would move higher. It would still depend on the kind of ball. With the examples provided, this law is evident to sports that use balls or simply a person cycling his way to work. May it be basketball, football, or baseball, the law of action-reaction is evident. Here's an activity you can copy and answer on your activity notebook. Kindly pause the video. Enjoy and see you in our next lesson. Thanks for watching.